Hello everybody, TGIF. Oh my god, I have this one piece of hair that's kind of doing its own thing. I hope some of y'all are going to hop on here because look at what I have. I have limited edition goodies and I meant to go live. I was going to go live and do a demonstration a couple days ago, so forgive me that it's just now that I'm going live. Oh my god, I keep dropping them. But I have them. I want to show you. And if you're hopping on, say hello. Where's my other one? So it's our spring break here this week. So I haven't posted as much. And I didn't get to go live 2 days ago because we had a pool day. Hey Amanda, hey Melissa. So, okay, these are two. I am a neutral girl. Put in the comments, do you prefer bold or neutral colors? Because I wear neutrals all the time. And these are the two that I have tried so far. This one's obviously more pink. This one is more of like a nudie brownish tone. And so let me swatch these so you can see the swatches on my hand and let them dry. But I even love the packaging. Like, it is so sleek and so beautiful. What do you like, Amanda? Are you a bold girl or are you a neutral girl? Because I've seen you in red lipstick and you look really, really good. Yeah, I'm usually both. And y'all know I'm more of a lip gloss girl. I just don't like lipstick usually because of the way that it feels. So I am literally obsessed with the formula of these limited edition colors. And let me tell you why. So I'm just gonna let this dry. Can y'all see? This one's like super pink and this one is called, it's 01. This one is Cool Beige. This one is number 04 and it is Barely There, I think. Yeah. Barely There. So Barely There is my new favorite color. I didn't realize this one was so pink, and when I put it on it was almost the color of my actual lips, so I looked like I didn't have any lipstick on. But I don't know which one I should try on. Which one should I try on? I asked y'all the other day and most people voted for 01, which is Retro Rose. And I have sold a lot of this color, so I think people have. Oh, that is gorgeous. This Retro Rose, I think I'm gonna have to try it. So let me tell you why I like the formula so much. So I'm normally a lip gloss girl. I don't like it when my lips are feel like they're dry and like cracking, and that's really gross to me. So these are matte liquid lipsticks. They're meant to be longer lasting than a regular tube type of a lipstick. I find that even when I eat or drink, these usually last like 6 to 8 hours for me. Some colors, depending on, I guess, how it works with the pH of your body, last longer than others. But our normal matte liquid lips are good, you know. But the formula's thicker. The formula for these is almost the consistency of a gloss, but it's not sticky and it does not dry your lips out. Like, you literally do not feel like you have anything on your lips when you wear this formula. Like, oh yeah, this is gonna be really pretty. Okay, just swatch this one. This one's Retro Rose. So many people love this one. Look at that color. I think I'm fixing to try this one on. Give me some hearts if y'all think I should demo Retro Rose. So if you want me to try that one, I'm either gonna do that one or I'm gonna open up this dark burgundy because I love some red lipstick. And this is a burgundy that is, I'm going to open this one because let's face it, I'm going to wear all of these because the non-lipstick girl is kind of obsessed with these lipsticks because of how good they feel on your lips. So So I'm either gonna do, oh my God, that's pretty. Okay, this is the dark burgundy. Can y'all tell? And that's your favorite. And then this is the retro rose. So I want y'all to vote. Do y'all want to see me demo the red or this beautiful pink, which is like perfect for spring and summer? It's like that perfect like medium tone pink. It's not too light, but it's not too dark. It's there to like make your lips pop. I got 1 vote for burgundy, 1 vote for the rose. So what y'all want to see? I need a tiebreaker vote. Okay, so 01. I wonder if I can do this looking in the phone. I should have brought a mirror in here, but y'all, I'm dying over the red. Okay, and we're gonna go retro rose, but I'm totally trying on this dark burgundy a little bit. Let's see if I can see. Okay, so the key is to make sure the layers aren't very thick. You want it to be light. And it usually only takes a little bit for it to dry down. That is really, really pretty. Like, I love this color. I would wear this color all the time. I got eye here. What y'all think about my eyes today? Can y'all see my eyes? Stella said, Mommy, do you have on gold eyeshadow? I said, yes, I did. So my favorite eye combo, I've been wearing this pink with the gold shadow too. And I like it. It's perfect for spring. So, yeah, that's not dry yet. I am making a mess. So, yeah, you gotta let it dry, but that one is so pretty. Y'all know I'm dying to do it. So here's swatches, and I just smeared it because it's not dry yet. When it dries, it doesn't smear, but I'm impatient. Ah! This is hard to do. I had got to go to the eye doctor. I need glasses. I'm getting, okay. Be still, my heart. Yep. People that look so cute with their lipstick tubes, I can't master it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they made this red for me. This is my color. I don't normally even wear red lipstick, but the dark reds are amazing. So let me just say, if you like colors that have almost like a berry base, you know what I'm talking about, like a berry purple, I mean it's burgundy, you're gonna love this color. So I know so many of y'all ordered from me the matte liquid lips color Superstar. This would be like Superstar's cousin. Oh, that reminds me. Let me grab, oh God, I about knocked my ring light over. Let me grab Superstar real quick. I want to compare. Y'all, that would have been so terrible if I knocked over the ring light. Like, it would have been terrible. So this is, don't ignore this bottle. So this is Superstar, which I know, I usually can't keep this one in stock. So many of y'all buy it. They're very, very identical. I don't even know if you're going to be able to tell it in this light under the ring light or not. But the burgundy definitely has more of a purple very undertone to it, but they are both very similar. So if you love Superstar, you are gonna love dark burgundy. It's similar, but more of a purplish tone. And y'all look, now they're dry and they're not smearing. I was impatient and wouldn't wait for it to dry a while ago and it smeared, but now it's dry and it's not going anywhere. So, yeah, I'm obsessed with this. This is dark burgundy, so I have, let me just give you a rundown description of the other colors. I showed y'all, this is cool beige. It's really a pink neutral. This one is barely there. My absolute favorite color. And this one is retro rose. So if you are like a bubblegum pink, medium tone pink, that's not too bold but not too light, you're gonna want that one. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, soft violet. I have sold a lot of this one too. It is also like a medium shade tint, pink, but it's not it's a little lighter than retro rose. I'm not gonna open that one because I don't think it's gonna look good on me. So that one's soft violet, and it is more, it looks to be like a medium pink with maybe some blue undertones. So if you are cool toned, you'll look really good in it. Where are my bold lipstick lovers? This is vibrant pink. It is gorgeous. I almost tried this one on. If you're cool toned or neutral, this one's gonna look fantastic on you too. And y'all, tip, I need to get my teeth whitened. If you wear dark colors like this, it makes your teeth naturally look whiter. There's a tip for that. So we have vibrant pink, and then we have this one, which is called Royal Purple. Look how bright this bad boy is. So y'all know I had a previous company that I sold a lot of lipstick. There was a color called Purple Rain. This one is like that color, and it's really, really pretty. I think I would like the vibrant pink more so than the Purple Rain for me. Barely there. I've swatched that one. Oh, I haven't shown y'all this one. This one is called My Lips But Better, so it's another neutral color. So it is going to be like an in-between of these two. So I love that. Cool beige. Barely there, dark. That's it. That is all 8 of the colors that I have talked about. So, yeah. The Gloss Lover Girl actually loves this formula. And what I really like about it is it doesn't wear off in segments, if that makes sense. Because I cannot stand it when I wear a lipstick and it creases and it cracks and it wears off your waterline and it like peels apart slowly, because it's like either I want lipstick on or I want lipstick off. And it's light, it doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't dry my lips out, and it's either on or it's off. And for me, that's like the perfect lipstick formula. So these are $14.90 each retail. I need to do another, I need to count up and see. I got another shipment in today because these are limited edition. I hope they're gonna bring them back permanently, but we honestly just really don't know. So if you want to claim any of them, feel free to message me or comment in that graphic. I will put up the number of colors I have left of each one, and you can let me know if you're interested in it. So, oh, Melissa, you're on here. I'm wearing dark burgundy. I know you love Superstar. This is Superstar, and this is dark burgundy compared. So if you love Superstar, you're gonna love this one. It's so pretty. So the lip conditioner on top, that's a great idea. Actually, I put it on before I even tried on the lipsticks because I thought I was gonna take it off, but whatever, I layered. So thank y'all for watching. Look for the graphic. I'll post how many I have in each color. and get you some matte liquid lippies while I still have them in stock. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.